Hey guys, Joseph here. Before we begin our FineView GX1000 review, we want to share a comment that Panzer Platform, Shock, my favorite guy, and FineView have shared on our FineView GX1000 sample footage video. Right on, Broseph. I like the text overlay at the top of the screen with date and time, speed, firmware, camera model, vehicle battery. I wish Vehicle would give us the option to have the text overlay at the top or bottom of the screen as well. Sometimes windshield glare from the dashcam makes the text overlay illegible. And FineView commented back to confirm that not only is the text stamp found on the front camera footage, it's also found on the rear camera footage as well. So we reviewed sample footage from other brands and models. We noticed that while many other brands do give you text stamps, Vehicle, Thinkware, and Nextbase use a white text overlay on the video. Under perfect circumstances, this design looks clean, but as Chuck said, the text do become unreadable if there's windshield glare. Thanks Chuck and FineView for pointing that out.